Oh, no. What is it, my boys? Oh. What is he saying? What is he saying? Huh? She never tires. She never tires. That's Tucker.
What is it?
Tucker. The pointer is Gunner. Hi, Tucker.
Gunner, Tucker, and Sadie.
Yep. Oh, yes.
You two seem much more mellow than her.
They are. I said, you're just crazy.
It'll make a great playmate for my dog.
Oh. Oh, buddy. I know. I'm sorry I stopped. I'm sorry. What's it?
So how long have you been working here?
Almost a year and a half.
Were you here when I was here last year?
I don't know. I don't really remember you.
No, you must have come right after.
Yeah.
I guess it's been a little while since I was here.
Oh my goodness, yes, I know. Oh, Gunner. Two lovey boys. Sid, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. So, we're trading, are we? Yes. Oh, thank you. Oh. You gonna sit on me? Are you? You are. Huh? Huh? Oh. Yes, I see you, Gunner. I see you. What's the matter, Sid? Huh? Okay.
Because of that class
Yeah.
afternoon. So you can do the rest of the breaks as they should be.
Okay.
Becky's on break right now. Sit down. And then when she comes back, she can go. And actually, when you're done with this group, if you want to take your lunch, that would be awesome.
So when I come back, I'm doing what?
After your lunch.
Yeah.
We'll have a little bit of time, and then we have class.
Okay, how long's the class?
2 hours.
Okay, where is it?
I don't know, somewhere here.
So when I should be working, when I do that.
Well, you'll still get paid.
Sydney.
Right, but I mean, like, or anything.
Sitting probably out in the lobby.
Alright. You guys need to run around. Come on.
Oh, Tucker. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you just want love. You just want love. Oh, my goodness. You got the zoom in now? Sid. Sid. Sid, come here. Calm down. Hi, hi. Yes, hi, buddy.
Alright, I'll be back.
Alright.
Good.
Gunner! Gunner! Oh, Tucker. Hi, bud.